Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 2nd, 2024. Yes, 2024. Yeah. The publisher has not changed the additional because we have here 7 extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. Sometimes they call it also in English tectonic. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. The first Sudoku I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 7722. 7722. Let me zoom this. Yes. All right. Double 722. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star because the 3 stars has usually 25 printed digits. It's indicated with the 3 star, so for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. My time limit. If it's a 1 star, 27, then I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle or a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this big square, so no 2 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah, 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 4, 9, 5, 4, 9, 5. Okay. Then. Which number can I pick? Let me see. All right. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 here. I need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. I'm scanning. Need a 7 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah, 1 in this row. 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. 1. Need a 1 there. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 there. Yeah. We have a pair. The 5 and a 9 in this row. The 5 and a 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. 2, 3, 8, 7, 3. Well, I need a 7 in this row. Middle row. Here can be 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7. So the 7 could be here, could be there. I believe same for there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. row between the only two places left for the 7 here. We have a 7 there. And I need a 7 there. Let me mark those boxes. 7 in last row, 7 in that row. So the row between the only two places left for the 7. Come here. Need a 7 there too. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 could be here. Could be there. Here I need also 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in these two boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. That means 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Yeah, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Need a 2 there. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 9 here. 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Okay. Need a 9 here. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, last row. 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Right. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5 there. Okay, and now, the 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for 9 should be there. 9, 9. Need an 8 here. 5, 9, 8 here. Need an 8. Need here and need an 8. Okay. Need a 4 here. 4, 4, 4. That means there need a 4. Yeah. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And if eliminated here, then 7. So the 7 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then, 8, need an 8 here. Then, let me see. We have a pair, the 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next, so in that column. Only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. Need a 3 here. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 7. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. Yeah, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes and there. So we have 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 8 should be here then. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3. I believe the 4 is missing. Then. Yeah. This 6 there. 5 and 4. Alright, 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 there. How about the 7? Yep, I marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. So here 1 and a 4. Okay. Here I need a 1. Yeah. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, there are only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. That means here we have a 1, here we have a 1. That means in this row, we need a 1. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. We have a 1 in the first column. We have a 1 in the second column. The only place left for the 1 should be there then. So 1 box left in this big square for number 6. And 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. From that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here on there. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 1 box left now in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 5 in the third column. 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only place left with 5 should be there. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So the first row. The only place left with 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay. 1 box left in this row, first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Here we have 2 missing numbers, the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Then 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 9 in the third column. 9 in the First column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left on the line should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square from the 1, the 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Few seconds. Well, let me give this a 2 stars, not a 3 stars. Well. Maybe I'll talk too much in the beginning, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Apologies for the tripod, it's moving, the tripod, yeah. Alright. We solve it again. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.